Hello and welcome to this project outline for developing a PLC-controlled hydroponics system. In this project, we will design and implement a PLC program to automate the operation of a hydroponics system. The system will function as follows. When the start button is pressed, a solenoid valve will open to fill the nutrient container. The valve will remain open until the nutrient level reaches the high-level limit switch L1. Once the container is full, the nutrient will remain in the container for 20 seconds. Emptying the container. After the 20 seconds nutrient holding period, the pump will activate to empty the container. The pump will continue running until the nutrient level drops to the low-level limit switch L2. The container will remain empty for another 20 seconds before the cycle repeats. Lighting control. Plants require 10 hours of light daily. If natural sunlight is unavailable during this period, detected by the photo switch, the system will automatically turn on a lamp to provide artificial lighting for the same duration. System standby. Pressing the stop button will place the entire system in a standby mode, halting all operations. Now let's go through the pre-written ladder relay control program for the project and see how it meets the project's requirements. The program consists of 8 networks. Let's walk through the process step by step. Starting the program. Notice that to initiate the system, I press the start button. The valve opens and allows nutrients to fill the container. The low-level limit switch L2 and the high-level limit switch L1 must be activated. So I go ahead, activate these two. The container will take approximately 20 seconds to fill up. After that, the pump activates to empty the nutrient solution. The pump is on, so I go ahead and deactivate L1 and then L2, and now the container is empty. The container will remain empty for another 20 seconds before the cycle repeats. Notice that next cycle started by turning the valve on. Pressing the stop button will place the entire system in a standby mode, halting all operations. Plants require 10 hours of light daily. So if natural sunlight is unavailable during this period, detected by photo switch, the system will automatically turn on a lamp to provide artificial lighting for the same duration. So notice that when I deactivate the photo switch, make it 0, the lamp turns on. And reactivating I04 turns the lamp off. It means that sunlight is available. The project is successfully tested on a virtual Allen Bradley PLC. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.